Final thoughts. The road to becoming an investment banker isn't easy, but with the right attitude, determination, and hard work, it is within reach. It takes a lot of dedication to learn how the industry works and build up the necessary skills and experience. Of course, networking is also crucial for this line of work, so don't be afraid to get out there and make some connections. Investing in yourself will pay off when you become an investment banker, so keep pushing forward. Who knows how far you'll go? Investment banking is a highly rewarding profession that can provide individuals with the opportunity to make substantial amounts of money. However, it's not for everyone and requires a special skill set and knowledge base. To become an investment banker, one must possess exceptional analytical and communication skills, have knowledge of financial markets and securities, be able to quickly understand and assess business operations, and be a team player. If you possess these skills, you could become an investment banker and join the exclusive group of individuals who can make big money in the world of finance. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Good luck with your investment career. Disclaimer: Moovmynt provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional financial advice.